Hello everybody, myself your English teacher Pradeep sir. I welcome all the standard 5th Sunshine English Medium School student. So student, today we will learn from our English book the first chapter, The Intelligent Human. Okay, so we will read, we will learn, we will practice, we will learn the difficult word meanings today. So before I start this lesson of your standard first lesson, the intelligent human. Okay student, I want to ask some question, I want to discuss something. Here first of all we will see the intelligent human. Okay, so what do you mean by intelligent? इंटेलिजेंट मान कौन ज्ञानी बुद्धिमान जोड़ा आम कौ और ह्यूमन्स माने जो मानव जाति ठीक अच्छे तो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आई वांट टू आस्क हु डू यू थिंक आर मोर इंटेलिजेंट एटा ला क्वेश्चन नहीं व्हिच वन एनिमल और ह्यूमन्स किए बहुत बुद्धिमान सो थिंक वंस कैन यू थिंक स्टूडेंट हु आर इंटेलिजेंट भाव पार्छ किए बुद्धिमान एनिमल्स ना ह्यूमन्स तो आर आंसर मु लास्ट रे माने बाहर करी सेटा मध्य विदिन यू स्टूडेंट माने ही कहबे ठीक अच्छे स्टूडेंट. So let us begin our class. Okay, the intelligent human. Here you see a tiger is in the trap and here is a girl. So here are some questions. Can you name the animal which is considered to be more intelligent than man? माने मनुष्य ठारू की बहुत बुद्धिमान को पशुर ना कहि परिबे कि some animals in our surrounding are really intelligent. Name few such animals. ना कोई परिबे जते हमर माने इंटेलिजेंट एनिमल अछि. कैन यू नेम सम एनिमल व्हिच कैन हार्म यू को पशु हमको क्षति घटाई पारिबो जानि स्टूडेंट. ओके देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कैन यू नेम द एनिमल व्हिच इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन मैन. So intelligent animals are there, but I don't think more intelligent than men. There are intelligent animals, I believe, and some animals are surrounding are really intelligent. Name few such animals. It ठीक है. So which animals are intelligent animals? You can say. I can tell that dog it is faithful also, intelligent also. Yes. Then which animal can harm? See in this cage only. Here in this cage tiger you can see the tiger Tiger. This animal can harm to us. Okay. Then what are the different ways in which you can protect yourself from animals harming you physically? जते बेले आमको हार्म करिया पाए आसंती आमे कौन करिया पड़िबो से जगारू तुरंत आमे जति जानि पारुचे कोनोसी डेंजरियस एनिमल आम पाखको आसुची आमे तुरंत सेठारू पळै जिबाटा ठीक तांग सहित आमे लागिले आमर बहुत क्षति हेबो दरकार पड़ले आमर जीवन मध्य नष्ट हो जिवो. एंड ए स्टोरी रे नाउ लेट अस रीड द स्टोरी ऑफ इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल कॉल्ड राजी हु आउट ट्रिक ए टाइगर. ओके सो एठी गोटे इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल राजी अच्छी और टाइगर को केमती से ट्रिक कला आ इंटेलिजेंट देखेला. ठीक है स्टूडेंट. सो लेट अस रीड दिस. फास्ट आम रीड करवा मु रीडिंग करी भलरे आउ देखिए पिलाने ठीक अच्छे। इन ए स्मॉल विलेज नियर भोपाल lived a boy called Rahul. One day he was walking along the path. Let me read again. In a small village near Bhopal lived a boy called Rahul. One day he was walking along the path to his farm when he came upon a large tiger trapping in a wooden cage. The villagers trapped him for stealing lambs. देखिए स्टूडेंट, then hey misters, cried the tiger as soon as he saw Rahul. এটা আমি দেখিয়া এ লাইনটা, I am so thirsty, please open the gate so I can get a little drink. There is no water here. Rahul was frightened, but he gathered some courage and said, "No, Mr. Stripes, if I let you out, you would pounce on me and eat me up." "Never," said Stripes, acting suitably horrified. "What makes you think I would be so ungrateful? I just want to drink water. That's all. I won't take more than a minute, I promise," he pleaded. Then Rahul was a friendly boy. He easily believed the tiger and opened the door to let him out. Instantly, Stripes sprang on the boy with the idea of eating him up. "Mr. Stripes, you promised you would not do this. It is not fair of you to eat me after I set you free," pleaded Rahul. "I kill prey for my food, and it's perfectly right for me to eat you." Okay? Snarled Stripes. After Rahul wailed for a lot of time, Stripes came to the conclusion that he would ask the first three people who came along that way if it was fair for him to eat the boy or not. The first creature to pass was the donkey. "Mr. Bray," called out Rahul, "I set Mr. Stripes free from his cage. Now he wants to eat me up. Is that fair?" Mr. Bray looked up and spoke out strongly. "The farmer forced me to carry heavy loads on my back all day under the hot sun. Yet he doesn't feed me properly and beats me with a stick. Even when I am sick, he expects me to work. Humans are an ungrateful race. Let Stripes eat you. It's one less horrible person in the world." Stripe looked his lips and got ready to eat Rahul. "Wait, what's only One out of three people. We still have two more to ask, cried Rahul nervously. Stripes agreed. They wandered about and came to a place where a very old horse was lying next to a heavy loaded cart. Rahul walked up to her and asked, Miss Mary, I freed Mr. Stripes from his cage and now he wants to eat me up. Is it fair? Miss Mary was barely able to get up. Her back was aching from dragging heavy loads. She looked up and answered in a hoarse voice. There was a time when I was free to roam the forest. Then one day my master captured me. He put a saddle on my back and a bridle in my mouth. He rode me hard. I have cried his children and grandchildren on my I have carried his children and grandchildren on my back, but now that I am old, he makes me drag his cart. Today, when I couldn't pull it farther, he left me here without food and water to die. Humans are very cruel. I say, let Stripe eat you, and that would be the end of this tale. Rahul looked at Stripe and saw him sharpening his claws on the tree. He spoke rapidly. Okay, this was my second chance, and there is still one more left. Stripe grumbled and roared that he was hungry. He wanted Rahul to put an end to his foolishness, to this foolishness. After much discussion, he reluctantly agreed to wait one last time. Soon they saw a girl with a pail on her head walking down the road. Stripes called out to her, Dear child, you are fair of face. What is your name? Called Stripes. My name is Raji. It is good to see you both, said the girl. Stripes was pleased and asked Raji, I know you will be fair and just. Rahul freed me from a cage, but I am a tiger. I want to eat him up. Can I or can't I? Excuse me, what did you say? Asked the girl. He asked if it is fair for him to eat me when I have just set him free from his cage, said a totally dejected Rahul. Cage? What cage? Don't see any cage, said Raji, looking around. It is a wooden cage, cried Rahul, anxiously squeezing his hands. Give us your opinion. Is it fair? Raji, acting confused, said, I don't see any cage around. I can't understand what the two of you are talking about at all. How can you set him free when he is already free? We are talking about the cage I was in a few moments back, explained the annoying Stripe. She looked at Stripe and asked, I want to understand how you got into the cage in the first place. Grr, said Stripe, grinding his teeth. These humans are really dumb. He thought to himself and then began to explain. Last night I came to the village to steal a lamb. I fell into a trap. I fell into a trap made by the villagers. They put me in a cage. This fool freed me when I requested him to do. While Mr. Stripes was talking, Raji somehow led the tiger and the boy to the cage. After reaching there, she took over. Let's start from the beginning. How did you come here? She asked Rahul. I walked down the little path, said Rahul, and Mr. Stripes Where are you? Asked Raji. Here, inside the cage, of course, replied Stripe. No, I don't think this cage is big enough for you. Why don't you show me how you manage get into that small cage with your huge body? Asked Raji with an innocent look. I will show you, said Stripe and entered the cage. He continued, I was sitting here when Rahul came by. Ah, that's where you were. But your paws can reach outside the cage, so why didn't you come out yourself? Asked Raji. I could not, as the door was locked up, said Stripes. Excuse me, said Raji, looking suitably stupid. Being human and very stupid, I can't imagine it. Can you show me how it works? Rahul pushed the door and said, like this. And the lock? Asked Raji. Look here and observe how to lock the door, cried Rahul as he shut and bolted the door. So that's it, said Raji, clapping her hand. It does lock the door tightly. And now, Rahul, as the door is locked, I suggest it stays locked. As for you, Mr. Stripe, you have been very wicked and ungrateful. I hope you stay locked up for a very long time. Saying this, Raji took Rahul's arm and led him away, leaving Mr. Stripe sad and confused. Okay, so student, this is the story we read. Now we will see this difficult vocabulary meaning. Okay, the first one is trap. Next student, first word is trap. Trap meaning, what do you mean by trap? फास ना स्टूडेंट जोटि आम फास लगे था पशु पक्षी मानक से बा जनता जोटि आम धरी पारू आराम रे से मानकु धरी पारू है। आउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड हूँ फ्राइटेंड। ओके, फ्राइटेंड मतलब भयभीत हो डरवा नहीं कि। देन पाउंस, ट्रैप है एफ्राइड है। पाउंस माने लिप बा झांप, झांप मारिबा। स्नेल माने ग्राउल, ग्राउल मीन्स गर्जन करिबा जोटा कि आमे माने गर्जिबा। ठीक अच्छे। वेलिंग, क्राइंग कांदिबा, क्रंदन करिबा। देन हॉरिबल मीन्स टेरिबल, भयंकर। रैपिड, क्विकली, द्रुत भावे बा हिंदी में कौन को जल्दी जल्दी करना, जल्दी। देन ग्रम्बल मीन्स कंप्लेन, रागरे जोटा कि आम अभियोग करुचु। ठीक अच्छे। देन रेलुकेंटली विथ हेजिटेशन, अनिखुच्छ बा कुंठित। डिजेक्टेड मीन्स भेरी सैड, जोटा कि विषर्ण, बहुत दुखित। एंक्सियसली, इगरली, आतुर बा आग्रह। एनॉयड, स्लाइटली एंग्री, जोटा कि विरक्त। ग्राइंडिंग, स्ट्राइकिंग टुगेदर बा पेशिबा, जो दांत को कड़मड़ करवा। विकेड, मोराली रंग माने दुष्ट बा खल। बुझिले स्टूडेंट। सो these are the difficult words meaning you have learned. So you write in Odia, Hindi, whatever you understand. Then now student, let us once again let us see this story. आमे को लेसन पढ़ुथिलु, which lesson we are reading? The intelligent humans। ठीक अच्छे। तो इन दिस लेसन, इस लेसन में व्हाट हैपन, नियर ए भोपाल ए स्मॉल विलेज देयर वाज ए विकेड टाइगर इट इज़ टू स्टील द लैम्स ऑफ दिस विलेज पीपुल। वो जो वो लैम्स जो गोट सीप का बच्चे, उसको ये एक टाइगर आकर खा जाता था, ले जाता था। इसीलिए विलेजर्स, गांव के लोग, वो एक ट्रैप बनाया, हमें ओडिया ताकू फांस को, ठीक है, उसको पकड़ने के लिए। तो टाइगर वो ट्रैप में फंस गया। देन द टाइगर वाज इन द केज। So one day what happened, Rahul, a friendly boy, he was going near the cage. उस जनता के पास वो राहुल वो जा रहा था। देन द टाइगर मीन्स हियर रिटन मिस्टर स्ट्राइप, टाइगर वो बोला, हे गुड बॉय, मुझे थोड़ा निकालो यहाँ से, मुझे बहुत प्यास लग रहा है, मुझे पानी पीना है। तो राहुल बोला, नो यू विल ईट मी। तो द टाइगर वॉज वेरी कनिंगली, बहुत चतुर से उसको बोला, नहीं मैं आपको क्यों खाऊंगा, हाँ, मुझे सिर्फ पानी चाहिए, मुझे थोड़ा फ्री कर दो, इससे बाहर निकाल दो। तो राहुल उतना बुद्धिमान नहीं था, तो वो खो गया। खोने के बाद अब टाइगर को तो मौका मिला, बोला मैं अभी आपको खा जाऊंगा, आई विल ईट यू। बट द बॉय टोल्ड, यू हैव प्रॉमिस्ड मी यू विल नॉट ईट। आप मुझे प्रॉमिस किए थे, आप मुझे नहीं खाएंगे। तो टाइगर बोला, व्हाट, इट इज़ फेयर, बिकॉज आई एम द एनिमल, आई कैन eat it you, it is my, I kill others and I eat। मैं अन्य को, मैं दूसरों को मारता हूँ, खाता हूँ, तो ये क्या फिर बात जस्ट न्याय है, अन्याय है, ये कुछ नहीं है। तो राहुल बोला, वेट, हम क्या करेंगे। स्ट्राइप और राहुल डिस्कशन ज़्यादा हुआ, तो स्ट्राइप ने, जो टाइगर ने, बोला कि वेट, हम 3 लोग को पूछेंगे और जो भी डिसीजन होगा, जो भी फाइनल डिसीजन होगा, हम उसमें जो भी होगा हमको करना है। तो पहला देखिए, द फर्स्ट वन इज हियर ए डोंकी। इन दिस स्टोरी इट्स नेम मिस्टर ब्रेड, टाइगर नेम इज मिस्टर स्ट्राइप। तो डोंकी ने बोला, डोंकी को जब पूछा गया, व्हेन दे आस्क्ड डोंकी, डोंकी टोल्ड, नो दिस ह्यूमन्स आर नॉट मीन्स गुड, दे आर ऑलवेज मेक अस वर्क एंड दे बीट्स अस, एंड इफ वी आर सिक ऑल्सो दे मेक अस टू वर्क। हम जब हमको मारते, हमको काम कराते हैं, ये ह्यूमन मानव सब ठीक नहीं है, इनको खा जाओ। तो राहुल को तो प्रॉब्लम हो गया। राहुल इज सो मीन्स वरीड। देन टाइगर बोला, ओके लेट मी ईट। देन नर्वसली राहुल बोला, ही टोल्ड दैट वेट, 2 more आर देयर। देन सेकेंडली दे वेंट टू द हॉर्स। ओके, हियर हॉर्स नेम इज मिस मेरी। तो मिस मेरी को जो पूछे, मिस मेरी ऑल्सो आंसर्ड लाइक दैट, नो दिस ह्यूमन्स आर नॉट गुड, when I was in jungle my master caught me up and he is making me heavy work। मुझे बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, और देखो अभी मैं बीमार हूँ, मुझे खाना पानी नहीं दे रहे हैं, आई एम सिक, दे लेफ्ट मी टू डाई हियर, मुझे यहाँ मरने के लिए यहाँ छोड़ दिए हैं, ये ह्यूमन बींग्स ठीक नहीं है, तो यू ईट देम। देन thirdly one girl whose name is Raji, okay, she was going by with the pail on her head। okay, वो एक मिट्टी का बर्तन में पानी लेकर जा रही थी, आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं। तो वहाँ पे राजी को मिस्टर स्ट्राइप ने पूछा व्हाट इज़ योर नेम। राजी बोला माय नेम इज़ राजी। एंड स्ट्राइप, मिस्टर स्ट्राइप जो टाइगर बोला ये फेर है कि नहीं, मुझे राहुल ने केज से बाहर निकाला और मुझे भूख लगता है, मैं ऐसे ही मार कर खाता हूँ, तो मैं खा सकता हूँ या नहीं खा सकता हूँ। तो राजी अब जानबूझकर नोइंगली राजी वॉज acting to make fool the tiger. She told, "What cage? Where is cage?" Then that Mr. Tiger went to the cage. Then you can you fit in the cage? Then Tiger told, "Yes, I can fit inside." Then you can open the lock, but why you can't open? Then Mr. Stripe told, "No, I cannot open. Okay, I cannot open. See, they have gone to the cage. I cannot open." Then she asked to Rahul, lock it properly, tightly. Then Rahul locked it. Then Raji told, "You fool, you wicked, and ungrateful, you stay in here, and we are going." So Mr. Stripe was confused. लास्ट में अंत में स्ट्राइप को वो फिर से केज में डाल दिए और राजी ने राहुल को उससे छुड़ा लिया। तो स्टूडेंट हु इज मीन्स वाइज, हु इज मीन्स इंटेलिजेंट, ऑब्वियसली ह्यूमन्स आर इंटेलिजेंट, ह्यूमन्स आर very wise. Animals are intelligent, of course. They are also having very good knowledge. They have good intelligent power, but humans are superior. They can rule everybody. They can think best in every situation. So humans are intelligent, not animals. So I hope you have understood this story, this lesson, our first lesson, the intelligent human. Okay student, so in our next class we will do the exercises from activity book and workbook. See you, bye.